Through the decades, manufacturing cars has become more and more of an art form. The most expensive cars in the world are not only a symbol of status, but a testimony to the companies and engineers that built them. Though most of us may not be able to afford the most luxurious and expensive cars in the world, it is free to appreciate these marvels of modern engineering. Full of luxurious materials, created by top-notch engineers, and designed to make your jaw drop, these cars are some of the most expensive in the world. Although they may be out of your price range, each one of them makes it easy to dream. Here are the most luxurious cars in the world. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos. Number 5. Bugatti Voiture Noir. Newly crowned the most expensive car in the world, the Bugatti Voiture Noir is truly one of a kind. Bugatti only produced one of these models, and it's rumored to have a price tag of around $19 million. French for the term the black car, the Voiture Noir has a C-line body side design, 6 tailpipes, and an 8-liter quad-turbo W16 engine. According to Road & Track, this luxurious hypercar can put out 1,479 horsepower and 1,180 pound-foot of torque. Arriving for Bugatti's 110th anniversary, the Voiture Noir has a handcrafted carbon fiber body that's meant to only be seen when you want it to be. It has an extended front end, a seamless windshield, and smooth lines from front to end. Number 4. Lamborghini Veneno. Jumping up in luxury price tags, the Lamborghini Veneno was named for the Italian word of poison. The undeniably cool supercar was created as a celebration of Lamborghini's 50th birthday and is worth an estimated $4.5 million. Incredibly fast, the Veneno can reach 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds with a 6.5-liter V12 engine that puts out 740 horsepower and 507 pound-foot of torque. The Veneno slightly resembles an alien spaceship, with headlights that stretch over the hood, an incredibly low body, and the clean, harsh lines of a stealth fighter jet. Number 3. Ferrari Pininfarina Sergio. Custom made for only a handful of pre-existing customers, the spectacular Ferrari Pininfarina Sergio is worth around $3 million. True to Ferrari supercar fashion, the Pininfarina houses a 562 horsepower 4.5 V8 engine on an ultra-light body. Designed for hugging curbs, it has a low aerodynamic body and headrests built directly into the roll cage. The Pininfarina Sergio can reach 60 miles per hour in around 3 seconds. This invite-only supercar was designed to commemorate the 60 years worth of partnership between Ferrari and designer Pininfarina. Number 2. Aston Martin Valkyrie. According to Motor One, the Aston Martin Valkyrie has an estimated price tag beginning at $2.6 million. Resulting from a partnership between Aston Martin and the Red Bull Racing Formula One team, the futuristic Valkyrie is a new hybrid hypercar that can reach top speeds of more than 200 miles per hour. Aston Martin said it plans to build 150 of these models, with a limited model coming at a later date. The Valkyrie's 6.5-liter V12 engine puts out 1,164 horsepower and 664 pound-foot of torque. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz AMG One. For the 50th anniversary of the Mercedes-Benz's AMG division, the car brand created a one-of-a-kind luxury vehicle named the AMG One. Its behind-the-driver engine puts out more than 1,000 horsepower from a 1.6-liter turbocharged V6 that's helped along by 4 electric motors, 2 for powering the front wheels, 1 that powers the rear wheels, and 1 that helps power the turbocharger. For a cool $2.5 million, the AMG One is a supercar that can rev up to 11,000 revolutions per minute. Meant to have the heart of a Formula One race car, according to Digital Trends, it has tight driving quarters, a low and aerodynamic shape, a racing-style steering wheel, and multiple different driving and suspension modes. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and tell us your opinion about this classification in a comment.